Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP government completes 3 years, implemented populist schemes but failed to resolve major Goa issues. Prudent does panchanama of BJP's Vision Document 2012. No candidates from opposition party but from the opposition within. BJP faces uphill task of dealing with disgruntled elements in ZP election in next 24 hours. Another death due to diarrhea in Pali Valpo, second death in last 4 days. Number of patients goes up to 20. Cause of sickness yet to be ascertained. Union Home Ministry sends its representative to Goa to solve citizenship issue. Committee formed to suggest solution. MHA open for amendments. And Prudent wins Business Goa Award 2015 as Media Company of the Year. Prudent is the channel of masses as well as classes, says Shripad Naik. Now the news in detail. BJP government has completed 3 years of its rule in Goa. Prudent decided to revisit their manifesto and track its success rate. The government has implemented populist schemes as promised in their vision document. However, it has failed to tackle some of the major policy issues concerning the entire state. Here is a special report, Manifesto Panchanama.
BJP captured hearts of Goans and got clear majority in 2012 general election due to assurances on some controversial issues. The issues were highlighted in their manifesto, vision document. 9th March, BJP-led government completes 3 years of its governance in the state. Government has not touched the regional plan issue. Lokayukta was appointed for a short period of time. Electronic ration cards are on hold. Government did not keep its word on medium of instruction issue. Agriculture policy is yet to be formed. Goa is yet to be free from plastic, which was promised. Construction of new Zuari Bridge was promised. However, the project is now with the centre. Third tender has been issued for Arogya Bima Yojana. Garbage management was promised within 18 months and it is yet to become a reality. However, BJP has fulfilled some of its assurances. Decline in prices of petrol by ₹11, Ladli Lakshmi plan for married women, 1,200 rupees for housewives per month, Kalvi Bridge, DSS scheme increased up to ₹2,000, tablets to school children, and Pato Parking Plaza. Meanwhile, government unnecessarily has invested into some projects like 3rd Mandavi Bridge, concretization of Miramar Donapal Road and a bridge at Gaundali. We received comments on how government fared in these 3 years.
People of Goa had given them a clear mandate, not like my government where we had to depend on the alliance. We had to form a coalition government, we had to do lots of balancing. Unfortunately, after completing 3 years, if you go to the people and get a feedback, the general feedback is people are not happy with the performance of this government.
वो सरकार जर एक उतरान एनालाइज करून गेलो जाल्यार अशें दिसता this is 3 years of U-turns on promises that brought this government to power. Regional plan, लोक आयुक्त, information commissioner हे इश्यूजांचेर कांयच डिसिजन जाल्लें ना. म्हणटकर अशें दिसता की हो सरकार व्हेंटिलेटराचेर आसा.
गेल्या 3 वर्सांत सरकारान लोकांक आश्वासनां खूब दिली, तातूंतली काही पूर्ण जाली, पण सगळीच काय पूर्ण जाल्या तशें म्हाका दिसना. आनी आतां जर आमी पळोवंक गेले जायत जाल्यार हेज्या फुडें जर आतां एकूणच आमची आर्थीक परिस्थिती पयली जर जाय राज्याची जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की सरकार हेज्या फुडें अशा तरेन जी कितें पयशांची उधळपट्टी तांणी फुडें केल्ली ती फुडें करूं शकतले म्हणून.
ह्या सरकारान सगळी फटींग म्हणा चल्लें. यू टर्न म्हणटा पळय ते सारके बारीक उतर आनी करप्शन इतल्या लेवलाचेर हाय आसा की केन्नाच हेज्या आदीं इतलें करप्शन लेवल जावंक ना. आयज सरकारान जी लँड ग्रॅबर्स आहात ते भितर आसूंक जाय ते आयज आमचें सरकार चलयता.
If we analyze, government has put into force only populistic schemes, but nothing has moved forward when it comes to major Goa issues. It will be difficult for the government to face next assembly election without fulfilling its promises on major policy decisions concerning the whole state. With Bureau Inputs, senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Consequences of conducting ZP poll on party lines has resulted in aberration for the BJP. Party leaders are entangled in its own web. There is revolt within the coalition partners and amongst the BJP leaders. There seems no end to the situation. MGP is fielding its own candidates as independent candidates and BJP is in dilemma. Some BJP karyakartas have filed nomination against their own party candidate. Watch this report.
There are no candidates from the opposition party. However, there is tussle within the ruling party and the coalition party leaders. Though election is conducted on party lines, leaders are fielding their own candidates against the party candidates at various places. Independent candidates of MGP against BJP candidates, BJP MLAs fielding independent candidates against party candidates, revolt amongst party workers, pressure mounting on BJP MLAs, no opposition from Congress, BJP MGP revolt in ZP election. Few MLAs upset with BJP due to delimitation. Few BJP MLAs have taken stand against the party openly. They have fielded their independent candidates against the party candidate or are working against the party candidates for another candidate. Kaitu Silva working against his own party candidate. Michael Rohan against BJP candidate in Sukur constituency. Party workers revolt in Naveli against BJP. Application of independent candidates of BJP leaders against BJP candidates. 9th March is the last day of withdrawal. Hence, BJP is struggling to convince party leaders to withdraw their independent candidates against the party. However, the final result will be known only on Monday. BJP has asked MGP not to field its independent candidates against the BJP candidates. Scrutiny was held on Sunday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Dharma Sawant, a 62-year-old man, died due to diarrhea and vomiting on Sunday. He breathed his last at the GMC. Dharma is the second victim in Pali Valpo. The reason behind the sickness is yet to be ascertained. However, every day people are falling sick in the area. Around 20 people are undergoing treatment for the sickness. Some are admitted in the GMC, some at Valpo Health Center, and some are admitted in private hospitals. People are panicked.
Pali Valpo is facing a acute epidemic type situation. People are falling ill. Diarrhea and vomiting is the main symptom of the illness. Dharma Sawant died due to this illness on Sunday. People are panicked as the reason behind the illness is not certain.
आमच्या अजून कळना ना आमकां कितें जाला तें पण तेका लागून काहीतरी एक्शन घेवपाची कितें लागून हें घडटा हें कोणी सांगना.
Patients are sent to the GMC from Valpo Health Center for further medication. People have demanded to send specialized medical team to examine the situation. Health officials have taken blood samples of people for examination, but there is still no report. People are undergoing treatment at GMC, Valpo Health Center and some in private hospitals. It is still not clear whether the illness is due to PWD's polluted water or some other reason. Here is how the Health Minister Francis D'Souza reacted.
म्हाका खबर ना ताका सांगलें म्हाका खबर ना म्हणून हांव सकाळीं करता तुका फाल्यां दिता दोतोर बा धाडपाचें आनी त्याच दिसा म्हाका आमचो ऑपोजिशन लिडरान म्हाका म्हायती दिल्या पळय त्याच टायमार हांवें मशिनरी गियर करून कामाक लायिल्लें आहा.
People are panicked as real reason behind the illness is not known even after 4 days. Reporter Vishwanath Nene for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.